Friends, let's continue what we have learned in our previous classes. Counting numbers. So, from 1 to 3 and infinite. Clear? It's continue process. Okay? Till infinite, endless. Now, the numbers are given to us and we have to find the factors of it. So, every number have at least two factors except one. Okay, so every number has two factors and except one means one is a factor of one does not come in the table of any other number, not 0 or not 2. So one is a factor, so one is the number who is having only one factor. Other all numbers have at least two, means come se come two factors are there. Second thing, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number, and two factors, at least two factors we have learned. So which are these two factors? That is 1 and number itself. Okay, clear friends? 1 has only one factor, and largest factor and smallest factor, that also you are familiar with. Now some numbers you will find with the example. For example, you will see that factors of 7. So if I divide with 7, so starting from 1, 7, okay, 7 ones are 7, sorry, 1, sorry, maaf karna, 1 sevens are 7 and the remainder is 0. If I try by 2, so say 2 3 are 6, it will be having remainder 1. If I try by 3, 3 2 are 6, remainder 1. If I try by 4, so 4 2 are 8, so 4 1s are 4 and the remainder is 3. If I try by 5, so 5 1s are 5 and the remainder is 2. If I try by 6, 6 1s are 6 and remainder is 1. Clear? And if I try by 7, so 7 1s are 7 and we will get remainder 0. So here sometimes you will find only two factors possibility. Okay, so there may be such numbers having only two factors. Okay, that type of numbers means numbers having only two factors. Which are they? 1 and itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, so this was about prime numbers and having only two factors. But we found that 6 is a number having more than two factors, means four factors this way. So numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Clear? So this may be asked in the blanks form or in the MCQ form. That's why we are going theory wise. Okay, so arise a question about numbers having more than two factors means composite number, and only two factors means prime number, but one is a special number because it's having only one as a factor. Now prime numbers, if we calculate, so prime numbers for our instant and knowledge between 1 to 50. So which are these numbers? Okay, so we will start with 1. 1 is only the special number, so we start with 2. 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 and 1 2s are 2. Then we can get 3. 3 1s are 3 and 1 3s are 3. None of the other number is a factor of it. 4. 4 नहीं लेंगे सर, क्योंकि 2 2s भी 4 होता है, 1 4s भी 4. So more than 2 के factors कितने निकल जाए? 4 के factors are 1 2 and 4. Clear? So more than 2. So such numbers are with us 2 3 5 7, then 11, then 13, then sir 15 nahi? No, 17, then 19, then 20 nahi, 21 nahi, 22, 23, then 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So these are the numbers, and continuously we can proceed more than that also. If you proceed, you will find all the prime numbers are odd numbers. All the prime numbers are odd numbers. Secondly, 2 is the only even prime number. इसलिए मैं यहाँ लिखूंगा except 2. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. Other all numbers, if you go prime numbers, then it will be odd numbers only. Clear, friends? So now what exactly we want to learn in this chapter, that we are proceeding further. This was all you have learned about your mathematics and basic things in your previous classes.